Welcome back to Sisters Cooking and Crafts.
I have crazy hair day today.
Yes, and today we will be making Popsicle Stick Animals.
Yes.
Here are the supplies. Both of the animals need a base. Cut a popsicle stick in half and line up 7 other popsicle sticks. Then secure it by gluing on your cut in half popsicle stick on the back. Color both animals. We're going to use white paint for the polar bear and red and pink paint for the fox. For both animals, you need 2 googly eyes and a black pom-pom. We didn't have one, so we painted a cotton ball black. For the fox, you need red and white paper, and for the polar bear, you need black and white paper. For both of them, you need glue. For the polar bear, you'll need a black marker. For the polar bear, if you want to, you can add a white puffball for a tail on the back, but it's optional. And finally, a paintbrush. First, paint your base the color you want. While your base is drying, if you're doing the polar bear, cut out the ears. If you're doing the fox, cut out the ears and tail. Time to glue. After you cut out all your stuff, glue them all on to your base. After we glued everything on, this is how they turned out. We hope you had fun.
Thanks for watching.